Alright, hey guys, I am back and I've got another math tutorial. This is section 2.4, the remainder and factor theorems. This can be found on page 97. This is question number 1, letter C. The instructions here, you can't see above just because I cut it out, I need a little bit more space, is to find P of K. And here we are given P of X is equal to negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 3, and then it tells us that k is equal to 1 plus root 2. So what we're going to do is write this as P of k is equal to, and then this is what k is. So now everywhere where there's an x, we're pretty much just changing it to k. So this is negative 2, and then in here, because there was an x, you write 1 plus root of 2, close the bracket, and then that's squared, plus 4, and then again there was an x, so we substitute 1 plus root 2, close the bracket, and then the plus 3. So then if we come down to the next line here, P of k is, just for my own clarity, I like to usually just expand. So I'm going to expand out and just write that out as 2 times 1 plus root 2 times 1 plus root 2. And then you still have 4, 1 plus root 2, and then plus 3. So then if we go down to the next line, it is pk again, just that's going to be there the entire time. And then what we can do is we can FOIL these two terms out here. So what we will do is you have the negative 2, which is on the outside, 1 times 1, 1, and then you have 1 times root 2, which is, this is plus root 2, and then you have root 2 times 1, which is plus root 2, and then just because for me personally it's a little bit confusing when you don't have what would be on the outside, which technically it would be 1 times root 2, like you would write it like that, and sometimes when I add these two terms, it's a little bit confusing, so sometimes I just write in the 1, so that's what that is there. And then you do root 2 times root 2 to finish it off, and that is just 2. And then you still have, actually you can just do this right now, and put the 4 into the brackets here. So 4 times 1 is 4, and then 4 times root 2 is 4 root 2 plus 3. And then pk, again, is equal to negative 2, and then we can combine the like terms. Obviously we have a like term here and a like term here, and we're adding it. So what we have is 1 plus 2 root 2, because we add the 1's, plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 root 2 plus 3, and then again pk is equal to, and now we can put the negative 2 into our brackets. So we will have negative 2, and then negative 2 times 2 root 2 is minus 4 root 2. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, and then plus 4, this is outside of the brackets now, this is just the rest, plus 4 root 2 plus 3. So once again, there are a few like terms, there are ones that we can cancel out as well. So right here we have a negative 4. Wow. Alright, hang on, sorry about that guys, let me see if I can fix this. And I can. Well, I can't actually fix it. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. So we're still good, and we were combining the like terms, following up on our last step here. So we have this. Actually, hang on. Let me scroll down a little bit because we need a little bit more space. So we have this like term, which is -4 root 2, and then we have this term. These are like terms. This is +4 root 2. So these are actually just going to cancel out. So we can get rid of those. And then we see another one over here. We have -4 plus 4. So that's going to be 0. So we can just cancel those ones out. So now we are left with P of k is equal to -2 plus 3, which is equal to 1. Therefore, P of k is equal to 1. All right, hopefully you guys understood this, and it helped you guys out a little bit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.